Steve from Big Pond Kayaks. Thought I'd get up this morning and come down and get the sunrise. Trying to find a place to launch this kayak. I just need to do a sea trial in this one before it goes off to Ireland. So I thought I'd get up and get the sunrise, get it done. I was hoping to go from Castletown Beach, which is only over this bank in here, but it's just a bit bumpy out there for being on my own, a solo paddle. So if you come to this side of the banking into a place called Derbyhaven, near Langness, it only really works, this place, on a high tide, and it's high tide at 10:30 and it's 8:30 now. It just fills up, but on low tide it empties out. There's no water in it at all, it's all seaweed. But it's an absolutely gorgeous place to come on high tide, and it's quite safe as well, because there's no flow here. The tide just goes in and out, and that bit of a breeze that's catching the other side, it's not here. It's quite sheltered. So yeah, I'm going to launch here really, but it's beautiful today. I'll just turn the camera around because you can see Langness Fell, which is our mountain over here on the Isle of Man, and it's full of snow, which is nice. And on the previous video this morning, when I got up from the house and had a look out, you could see all the snow-capped mountains over at Snowdon in Wales as well. So that's Langness Fell in the distance there, full of snow, which is lovely to see really. Planning on hiking up there tomorrow actually to have a look at the snow. But yeah, lovely here, lovely coastline. Over there is, I don't know if you can quite see Port Stodrick really from here. It might just be tucked in round the corner over there, but if you carry on around that corner, you're off towards Santon. I think that is actually Santon. I think you've got Santon, and then it goes round to Port Stodrick, and then it goes all round to Douglas, round the other way there. But that's a nice bit of coastline on a nice day. But yeah, where I am at the moment, it's a little bit of history. Used to be one of the major shipping ports here, the hotel over there. You know, back in the day, all the wooden boats used to pull up here, and passengers used to get on and off for day trips from Liverpool. And it was one of the major exporting places for Manx produce, like cheese and milk and cream and all that sort of stuff, that Queenies and seafood and all that. But yeah, it's quite a historic place, but there's just a golf course here at the moment. It's not really used now. It's just such a shame. The hotel over there is ruined basically. Shame, but beautiful place. Well, I've had my paddle around. I've been about an hour, that's all really. It's all I wanted. Just got the sunrise. It is cold out there. It's a bit bumpy. I went over to the end of Fort Island over there. I wouldn't go around the corner because Langness tide races. It's not for the faint-hearted really, and I'm faint-hearted. But yeah, had a lap around the bay. I went around the seawall in the middle. Oh, you can see it. That's on the video as well. But yeah, kayak feels really good. They always do really, to be fair. Performed really well. It feels a little bit tighter after Christmas. I must have, I think I had one too many mince pies. Well yeah, I mean that's my first paddle of the 2023 done. I'm gonna go get some breakfast now.